Have you ever wondered how water filters remove specific ions without adding new chemicals? The secret isn't a reaction itself, but a physical medium called ion exchange that facilitates the entire swap. Ion exchange is actually a reversible chemical reaction where dissolved ions are removed from a solution and replaced by others of the same or similar electrical charge. The physical medium that makes this possible is ion exchange resin, which acts as a facilitator rather than a chemical reactant in and of itself. These resins are composed of polymer matrices with permanently bound ionic functional groups, holding either positively charged cations or negatively charged anions. This technology allows us to control the chemistry of a liquid by swapping one set of ions for another while maintaining electrical balance throughout the process. Because the resin is just a physical platform, the reaction remains reversible, meaning we can regenerate the resin to reuse it indefinitely in various industrial applications. So, ion exchange is a powerful chemical technology that uses a solid polymer matrix to effortlessly facilitate the removal and replacement of ions in any solution. We've just explored how a simple polymer matrix drives complex chemical swaps. What other industrial processes rely on reversible reactions? Let me know in the comments.